Human Resources Reporting. As part of the HR module, you are provided with an out-of-the-box HR report dashboard. This allows users to quickly derive information on employee statuses and departments. To access your HR reporting dashboard, go to Human Resources in the Explorer sidebar and then navigate to HR Reporting. The HR Reporting dashboard will now open on your screen. Here, you can observe two sections. The first section provides a total count of current employees in the organization. This section also displays count of all employees across all status categories, except the archived ones. The second section shows a bar chart depicting department size based on the number of employees. Hover your mouse pointer over a bar to let the system display the title of the department and the employee count in numbers.